Welcome to my channel. Today I will cook Radhabollobhi or split white gram puri. It's a traditional Bengali recipe. It is a part of main course or breakfast or any meal or snack. It is made to celebrate special occasions and festivals. We love it so much that we can also have it as a regular breakfast, meal or snack. It belongs to the Niramish category or Bengali vegetarian category. It can be served to gods and can be eaten during Bengali religious festivals. Please watch till the end and subscribe to my channel to get more tasty recipes. Please make this recipe at home. Share this recipe with your friends and family members. Do not forget to click the bell icon so that you get notification when I post a new video. You can also like, share and comment below. I reply to all. I have taken all-purpose flour 3 cups. To that add salt half teaspoon, oil half cup, little at a time in small installments. Mix well. Press some all-purpose flour in the palm. If it is not holding together, then we need to add more oil. As you can see, the all-purpose flour is still powder and not holding together. We will keep adding oil till we come to a stage when we press all-purpose flour in palm and it retains shape. As you can see, the all-purpose flour is powdery but retains shape, so we don't need oil anymore. Now add lukewarm water 1 cup, little at a time in small installments. I strongly recommend to add oil and water little at a time than adding in excess and then try to fix it by adding more all-purpose flour. I have kneaded for 10 minutes and made a soft dough. As you can see, we got a nice soft dough. Now cover the dough with a plate or moist cloth to keep the dough soft. Let the dough rest for at least 10 minutes or till we make filling and cool it. I have soaked here split white gram lentils or buli dal 1 cup for 20 hours. Minimum time for soaking is 10 to 12 hours. As you can see how easily the dal can be cut with nail. It will grind easily. I will wash the dal for 2 times to get rid of fermentation smell and taste. Then I will be back. As you can see, I have washed and drained water. I have transferred it to mixture and grinder. To the dal, I have added salt, 1 teaspoon, green chili, 1 now, 3 in all, added in small numbers so that dal does not become very spicy because of chili. And water 1/4 cup. Grind it to a fine paste. Check in between if everything is okay. Make sure there is no dal in the paste. As you can see, the paste is still a bit grainy. Taste it. Add whatever is required as per your taste. Added green chili 2. Water 1/4 cup. And salt half teaspoon. Grind again. See, this is how the paste should be. There is no grain at all. I have transferred the paste to a bowl. Add ginger paste 1½ tablespoon and turmeric powder half teaspoon. Mix well. Keep aside. Heat oil 5 tablespoons in a pan. Add a bay leaf 1, fennel seeds 1 teaspoon, hing or asafoetida 1 teaspoon, nigella seeds or kalo jeera half teaspoon. Saute in low to medium heat till golden brown. As you can see, the masala is golden brown. Add dal paste into the masala. Mix well. Cook in low to medium heat till the dal is cooked but not dry. I should have taken a bigger frying pan to cook. It would have made my work much more easy. We will cook the filling till it is soft but does not stick to the pan. As you can see, the masala is not sticking to the bottom of the pan. It means it's perfectly cooked. Take some dal and roll it with your fingers. If it makes a ball without sticking to the finger, the filling is perfectly cooked. Transfer it to a plate. Keep it open and allow it to cool. The filling is now cool. As you can see, it is soft and dry but does not stick to the finger. This is a perfect filling. Since I will not make all the radhabollobis now, I have taken some filling in a bowl. Remove the bay leaf. Add raw fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, optional. Mix well. I have seen that when we fry the radhabollobi, the raw fennel seeds give a very nice taste to the radhabollobi. I'm back to the dough. Knead it again for 1 minute. Break the dough into 2 to 3 portions for easy handling, optional. Roll one portion into a long stick. Pluck some portions as per choice of the size of the radhabollobi. I like medium size. I can make 25 radhabollobis with this size of lychee. Take a plucked dough and roll it clockwise between the palm into a round ball or lychee. Then press it between the palms to give it a flat disc shape. Lubricate the balloon or rolling pin and chaki with some oil so that the radhabollobi does not get stuck to the chaki and rolling pin, and in the process of pulling it tears. Take a lychee or flat disc and roll it to a bigger thick round disc or puri shape. Make sure the middle part is thick but the ends can be thin. Make a bowl with the small puri. Put some filling or pur in the middle of the puri. Do not put a lot of pur, otherwise there will be difficulty in sealing the filling and the radhabollobi will not swell into a fulko radhabollobi. Pull the ends of the puri upward to cover the filling. The ends of the puri should meet. It now looks like a dumpling or a whole garlic. Roll the ends to seal the filling. Press the ends downward to seal further. Press it between two palms again and give it a flat disc shape. Add more oil to the chaki. Put the side which has the sealed ends on the chaki. Roll the ball outward into a round, thick, medium-sized radhabollobi. Make sure the middle is thinner than the ends, otherwise the puri will not swell. As you can see, the back side of puri is sealed completely. Put the puri on a dry plate. We can also lubricate the plate with some oil so that the puri does not get stuck to the plate. Do not also put puri on top of each other or touching each other. Otherwise, the puri will tear while pulling them if they stick to each other. Heat cooking oil enough for radhabollovi to float in it. Oil is now hot. Put radhabollovi one by one in the oil. It drowns immediately. With the straining spatula, touch the puri in the middle. It will swim up. With spatula, gently push it downward. More we push the radhabollovi downward, more it will try to swim up. This process will give us a nice fulko radhabollovi. Flip side when one side is swollen. Fry till light brown on both sides in medium to high heat. Once done, lift with the spatula, shake it up and down to allow excess oil to drip back into the frying pan. Then put the radhabollovi on a plate with tissue paper to absorb more excess oil. Make sure not to puncture the puri. I will serve it hot with hot aloo dum. It serves about 5 to 6 people. Please make it at home and let me know how it was. I would love to know about it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment below. You can follow me on social media with my channel name. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life. Bye.